Hiya. It's one of those days again. It's Wednesday. And this morning, I'm on my way on my bike. Look, I'm on my bike. Well, our bike. It's not my bike, it's our bike. I'm on my way to pick up the two puppies. Yeah, because Bonnie and Drake have been at the doctor's overnight because last night they ate something and it didn't do them any good. Two of them. Anyway, it was a scare. But this morning, Tony the vet called me and said it's good to come and pick them up, so I'm going to pick them up now. And yeah.
I love carrots in the morning. I love carrots in the eve. I love carrots in a salad or a sandwich. I love carrots.
Yeah, and besides
from
that
their
scare,
roots.
last night, the last 2 weeks, woohoo, since that last video, I'm telling you, we gave ourselves a 7-day challenge to try and finish Pura Vida. 7-day challenge. Pura Vida Berater. We didn't finish Pura Vida, but look at this bathroom.
To their leave. Well, I love carrots that are homegrown, 'cause they are oh so crunchy sweet. Well, I love carrots, but do you?
Yeah, I love carrots.
And how we did it.
Well, they're just so good to eat. Well, there's red carrots, yellow carrots, purple carrots, orange. I find wild carrots when I'm going for a forage. Fresh baked, steamed, mashed or grated on my porridge. I love carrots. Well, I love carrots that are stumpy, twisty, fat or thin or long. What can I say? I love carrots.
So do I. I love carrots.
Well, why don't we play a carrot in this song? Hey, check it out, he's playing a carrot. Yep, that's a carrot.
And I've had a shower.
Microbiome. Oh, what have you done to me?
Yeah, we've had the plumber come up with the firm Ryan Tech, local firm from around here. Some great lads working there. The boss is called Ryan, and I mean it's got to be a brilliant firm called Ryan Tech. I mean, so the Ryan Giggs, you all know who Ryan Giggs is, and anyone with that great name, it's got to have some greatness in them. Obviously some darkness, but don't we all? Anyway, back to topic. Yeah, Odin and Freya have been getting a bit bored with what we've been giving them for grazing. So we've had a load of grazing sessions as well. We've extended all the fences even more. They actually came and visited us as well, came up to our house. The good thing is, when they do break out of the grazing area, they tend to stick around because they like it in Dresden.
We're all entangled together in one living community. survival. From the deep dark of my insides to my ocean of saliva. Yeah. Oh, microorganisms all over my system. I've got a suspicion that we're one and the same.
But I mean, don't we know why? Ha! Life is a roller coaster, yeah? So they say. I'm trying to get it into a motorway. Nice and flat. And constantly in flow. Or even better, get life flowing downstream like the river. Pedaling upstream.
What have you done to
Making
me?
life harder for ourselves. Let's just take the flow
Microbiome.
and see where it goes.
This might sound kind of insane. Yeah, well, maybe I'm crazy.
Honey,
But it's like you're some kind of giant brain.
What I said before about the river and the flows got me thinking. Roller coaster. When I look at the river, there's ripples and bumps in it all the time. Sometimes it's a bit flat and still, like over there. Sometimes it's more rough and tough, but it's always in the flow. And that, I've decided, is the way to go. I mean, yeah, it's ripply, it's bumpy. It's not always easy, but if you stay in the flow, that's the way you're gonna go. Ha ha! Oh yeah, we've got some new chickens as well.
Oh, microbiome. I don't know if we're 1 or 100 trillion and 2.
Hino, Stephanie and Dido. That's it. The darker one's Dido. That's Hino. And the small one, she's Stephanie. Group number 2. Yeah. That's how we're doing it.
'Cause you just make up my whole world. So I gotta be good to you.
Isn't it amazing what's been going on? Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Hey, and tell somebody about it. Maybe. You never know. Spread the word. Share the love. And come on, United.